Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see an overview of the content area in D2L. Our first step is to log in into your D2L account and open one of your courses. Access the content area by clicking on the respective icon in the course navigation bar. This will take you to the table of content view of your content area, where you can manage and view your course material. If you do not automatically start at the table of content, click the table of content in the list on the left side of the screen. In this area, you will find your modules, which are used in the content area much like file folders. They can contain other modules or submodules or topics. Jump to a module quickly by clicking on its title. You can also copy course components from another course or import them from a file in your computer. Also, an expanded version of each module appears in the viewing area of the content page when you click on it. When viewing the table of content, each module can be seen. For an ease of navigation, modules can be collapsed by clicking on the gray title bar. And finally, topics are items that you wish to share with your students in your course. They are part of each module, and they can include documents, quick links, or areas in your course material, media files, and much more. Let's review now what actions we can do within the content. While in content, instructors can manage modules and topics, view reports, and change settings using the options in the various drop-down menus. The drag and drop feature makes it easy to rearrange or add an item to the content. When viewing the table of contents, the text table of contents will appear at the top of the content viewing area. Use the drop-down menu to the right of the text to access various options. Here, you can set all completion methods for completion tracking on each topic, download the content, send the content to the binder, edit the metadata of the content, add a new object from Learning Object Repository, and delete all modules. If you click on the Related Tool button to access a drop-down menu, it will give you access to the Course Builder, Manage Files, or View Reports. Remember, the Manage Files is where you can access and manage all of your course files. Within each module, you can create new topics by clicking the New button and choosing from a list of options in the drop-down menu. Styles of topics can range from various documents and file types, as well as link to websites or areas in your course. The Add Existing Activities buttons allow you to create quick links to various tools and items in the course. You can actually choose any of the options in the Add Existing Activities drop-down menu and still switch the type of resource from your quick link as you go through the setup process. The drag and drop functionality is available throughout the content area and can be used to rearrange content as well as to add or update a file. To reorder content topics and modules quickly, click on the topic and drag the item to where you would like it to appear. A gray line appears to show where the topics will appear when released. When dragging an item to another module, the destination module will turn orange. Items cannot be dragged into the course overview, bookmarks, and upcoming events. Drag and drop can also be used to add or update files for a topic. Drag a file from your desktop or a file folder on your computer into modules in your table of content list. Or you can also do it directly to a module that you are currently viewing. If a file with the same name already exists, a message will display allowing you to choose whether or not to override the existing file. You may set this to happen automatically by adjusting the option in Settings. If there is not a highlighted module or a gray line showing where the file will go at the point when you release the item you're dragging, then it will not be added to the course. Instead, the browser will think that you want to open the file. Be sure that you see an indicator when you release your file. If you want to edit or change settings on a single topic, click the drop-down menu next to the topic name. Through this menu, you can edit the properties, download the file, move the topic, edit the information about the topic, delete the topic, and more. Finally, you can access the settings in the content area. The settings link is in the top right corner of the screen and appears on any page within the content. Settings that can be changed include the content arrangement, the default completion status for new topics items, drag and drop OLO options for automatically overwriting files with the same name, and other default display settings.